Hello everybody and happy Thursday, and it's nice to be back with everybody and welcome back. Hope you're having a great Thursday so far. Now we have a couple topics we're going to cover in this video. I'm going to do it very quickly as I possibly can. Number one is, what does it mean when I say relief is coming in this video? What I know on this Thursday, what the Democrats and lawmakers are saying, relief is coming for the American people. I'm going to jump into that. Also, the 2022 tax delay. I've been hearing on some other channels, sources, but you subscribe to my channel because I get the facts. Now, before I go any farther with the tax, everybody's tax situation is different. But if you're receiving money back this year from your CPA or accountant, stay tuned to the whole entire video. I'm going to cover the facts, okay, on this video, facts and fiction, okay? Okay, also, is Hillary Clinton, is she coming back? Well, she's announced today that she might make that announcement as early as today. Yeah, Hillary Clinton wants to make a run back into the presidential election. Also, $1 million went to Goodwill. Which state? Well, maybe you can see how I'm looking at the camera. Hello, everybody, and I'm Sal CAPANO, and it's Drinking Coffee with Sal here on a Thursday. I finally got a little bit of a day off. By the way, before I go any farther, I greatly appreciate all the likes on the last couple of videos. If you can continue to like this video, share this video, if it's you have some interest or some family relatives, it really helps our channel out. It tells YouTube that I am doing a decent job, which I hope I am. Even though there's a few people who come on here and dislike, and that's fine. Everybody should be entitled to their own opinion. Bad comments. I just don't like nasty comments. All right. So we're going to jump into this video, but yeah, greatly appreciate it. And also, a lot of you are asking, when am I going to go live? I'm debating on why I go live on Friday and Saturday. I'll let you know. Well, maybe call it Coffee with Sal. And if you're new to my channel, we do go live at least once a week. And perhaps you want to jump on. I'm covering everything that's going on in this world, pretty much, right? Latest stimulus drama. Now we're going to get into taxes, and I'm in and out of meetings. I live here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, speaking of Nevada, I'm going to jump right into this real quick. And then I'm going to jump into what does it mean about a relief, and then we're going to get into taxes. Real quick, this won't take long. So I live here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm in and out of meetings, representatives. Now, our governor, Steve Sisolak, as you see in the photo below, by the way, I've met his chief of staff a number of times. Mr. Steve Sisolak, if you're watching this video, I hope you have some kind of heart. Well, I got good news. He's giving out $1 million to Goodwill grant for job training. So it's for Goodwill. Good for Goodwill. That's nice. I'm not knocking them. I'm sure they need it. That's the money, some of the money that the president gave each state. You know, some are using it for a prison. Some are actually giving it out like Gavin Newsom. This governor is going to give it to Goodwill. I'm just reporting the news. I'd like to hear from you on that. All my people who are from Nevada. And I say Nevada. And if there's a problem with that, that's the way I say it. It aggravates me when people say I say it wrong. Get that off my chest. All right, let me jump back into the video. All right, yeah, lawmakers are saying relief is coming. What does relief mean? What's relief mean, Sal? Why ask that same question, what relief means? Look, again, here we go. I'm going to jump right into that, and then we're going to get into the taxes. Okay, so it's a new $30 billion package is what now I'm hearing. It's just twisted every day almost, right? A new $30 billion bill. And that's a starting point, right? But here we go again. Not just Joe Manchin, but other Democrats, certainly moderate, are saying, wait a minute. I'm sure you can Google this. There's billions of dollars, $800 billion that's sitting on President Biden's desk. They're hoping, and my sources tell me that he has not spent it yet. Well, that's good news. Why not send that out to a stimulus check now? And then they can work on $30 billion. Seems like a lot. I don't know. Well, leave it up to you guys. So that's where we're at. I'm just reporting the news. So $30 billion, the lawmakers and Democrats are working on this Thursday. Actually, they're trying to get this as a starting point. Again, you got to get Manchin on board and everything else. That's a starting point. This thing can go up. It can go down. But once again, if you're new to my channel, yes, there's $800 billion, would it be, that's in Congress. That was from the Trump administration, CARES Act, both CARES Act and also American Rescue Plan, that people are waiting for a $1,400 stimulus check. Now, I'm going to dive right into taxes. Before I go any further, I'm going to have a sip of my coffee. Also, speaking of coffee, it's on back order. I'm going to give out my $50 winner, probably either tomorrow or Saturday, but I promise it'll be done Friday or Saturday. I'm just waiting on YouTube on how they're gonna make it fair. There is a possibility it could be a tie, you know, and it's based on how do you win on this channel? I want to know more. Okay, well, it's like and comment, and it's not just the comments today. It'll go back. I think it goes back 30 days, so it'll read all the comments. And by the way, it doesn't have to be a great comment. It can be a disagreement, so it will not penalize you as long as there's no threats on me or YouTube. So if there's a tie, I might just break it up and give out 2 winners, 25 and 25. In the event if there's a tie, then it'll go 25 and 25. Hopefully you'll be okay with that. And the second winner will be coffee, but it's in back order. I got the tail end of this Italian coffee. So I'm going to jump back into the taxes. Now, oh man, this is really good. Man, I can't wait till I can share this with you. I'll do everything I could with everybody. And if this video takes a little longer and you last this long, I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to do everything I could, me and my wife, to put a little smile on your face. I know times are rough. You know, they're not giving out anything. I'm going to give out what I could, and I'm still waiting on a huge sponsorship. And believe me, once I get a sponsorship, we will blow this up. It's just what I like to do. If I have it, I will. And I wish I have enough to give out to more people. As soon as my business takes off and I get back 100%, then there'll be more bigger prizes. You know, I'm a workaholic. Well, not a workaholic, but I really enjoy it, and I'll give out more prizes. Well, so I'll get to the taxes, okay. All right, you want to jump in and look. I don't want to knock on the other channels. There's some great YouTube channels out there, but you come to my channel to get the facts. Okay, let me read something here. There's not much of a delay, but I'm going to give you what I know. If you missed a job, pay attention. If you missed a child tax credit payment for whatever reason, maybe 2 payments last year on the child tax credit, you can claim it on your taxes. It could take an extra week or 2. There's a little bit of a backlog. IRS are short-handed, but normal time frame is 21 days if you're receiving money back. I've contacted my source from the IRS, and he says there's just a little bit of a delay, not much. Let me know in the comments, please, if you received your tax refund about the same time as you did last year and the year before. I'm going to read something here. The 2022 tax refund, did you get it on a direct deposit? Okay, look, the IRS could be a little bit backlogged, but not much. Now, if you did your taxes yourself, it could take a little longer because the IRS has a way to get the direct deposit within 21 days or even less. So I know some channels said now WMR are still processing refund. I will share this with you before I end this video. If you go on there multiple times, yes, it will crash and you'll see nothing there. So it's like it's overloaded, just like the PUA. Remember when everybody used to call back in the day, at least in my state. Anyhow, so I would recommend just going there once a day. Once a day, because it's going to process once a day, WMR. Just check, and it'll say pending, approved, being mailed in. So where I hear, well, people are going to get it, or it's going to take 6, 8 weeks, I don't know where they're getting their information at. It's not. Or I'm being audited. No, it just means they're a little backlog because of the child tax credit, and they're still giving out people the $1,400 stimulus checks people still haven't got. So 21 days time frame, maybe a couple days longer, you might get it even on time. So let me know. It'll help our channel out. Let me know, have you received it? Have you followed it yet? Is your appointment coming up? I always recommend you can do what you want. I know it's hard financially. I like a good CPA, particularly if you're self-employed. A good CPA or good accountant, somebody who knows you pay a little extra and you know everything's done correctly. And if you do receive money, you'll get it back in the time frame. Or if you owe money, they can set it up. All right, guys, listen. Right now, there's no meetings planned. If I hear anything else on taxes or stimulus, but that's what I know. Remember, stay focused. It's mentioned $1 to $800 billion to be used. Now, there's this, again, I'll repeat, $30 billion package they want to put together, lawmakers, the Democrats. Let me know what you think on this. And if you lasted this at the end of this whole video, boy, you are a loyal subscriber. I know I watch a lot of YouTube channels. You just want to go right through it, but my pleasure to give you the news as quick as I can. This video went a little longer, and I apologize, but it's my pleasure. Remember to like and comment, and I will be giving out a winner either tomorrow or Saturday before this week's over. Just need your address, and I'll be sending out. It'll be 1 winner, or if there's a tie, 2 winners. All right, so with that said, say hello to somebody. Tomorrow's another day, and there's always a solution on this channel. God bless everybody.